Hi everyone, I'm doing my Norwex laundry today and I just wanted to give you some tips on helping take care of your cloths so that they last a long time. So first of all, one of the most important things I've learned is to put your cloths in the washing machine soaking wet. Often our high efficiency washers will only put enough water in depending upon the weight of your laundry. And we know that Norwex microfiber will soak up 7 times its weight. So if you only have a little water in your laundry tub, then the cloths are going to suck up all that water and there's not going to be water to wash and get the cloths clean. So first of all, like as I'm going through the week, if one of my cloths is real dirty, I'll put it in a bucket downstairs, in a bucket of water with just a little bit of laundry soap, let it soak. And I'll do that over the course of the week. And then today, I filled up my washer with hot water. I added my half teaspoon of Norwex powdered detergent. And today I added about a half a scoop of the laundry booster. So some people mention that the laundry booster is similar to going to the dentist. So we floss and brush our teeth all through the year, but then we go to the dentist twice a year for that deep cleaning. So that's when you want to use your laundry booster, when you find your cloths are not cleaning well, or they're not sucking up the water as well as they should, or maybe it's been a few months and you want to try a little bit of laundry booster to give them that extra boost. Some people mention about smelly cloths. You want to do your laundry on an extra large load to give it that extra water. You want to make sure you've got a second rinse on here. That will help rinse any extra detergent that's in the water. And you do not want to add more laundry soap. That can cause some of the smelly cloths. Because I know I grew up doing my laundry and I would just dump the soap in there. Well, that soap, even though it's free and clear, can clog up your microfiber. So you only want to use as much laundry detergent as you really need. So that's that half teaspoon to a teaspoon for the high efficiency washers. For the, you might want to use like a tablespoon for the old fashioned washers. But that's my tips today. Got any questions? Comment below, and happy Laundry Day.